do a chain and single crochet, you first have to do a slip knot. To do a slip knot, you loop the yarn around and then pull the working yarn through to make a disposable knot. So you pull on both ends and it goes away. And once you have a slip knot, you put it on your crochet hook like this and tighten the loop so that it's not too tight, slides back and forth on the hook. Then you wrap your yarn in whatever way is comfortable for you to hold it. This will help you keep the tension of your stitches, so you need to find a way that is comfortable for you. You hold the slip knot with your thumb and forefinger, middle finger of your other hand, and then you back the hook against the yarn like this. You yarn over the hook and you pull it through the loop, and there's your first chain. Let's do this again. Back the hook against the yarn, catch it, pull it through. As you chain, you'll have to move your fingers to hold it. That also helps with the tension. And you chain the amount that is needed for your pattern. Just pulling it through, catching it, and there's your chain.